Spend your teenage years not taking school seriously, eating poorly, and picking up bad habits. Become super insecure after watching people living your dream life on social media. Go through every day thinking negative thoughts and never doing anything to look inward to fix your problems. Decide not to go to the gym because you're scared of people judging you, and to be honest, working out really hurts. Come home every night, get in bed, and consume mindless content on Instagram and TikTok. And make sure to absorb as much blue light as possible. Never talk to that girl or start that business out of a fear of failure. Because while you might not be happy now, it's a lot easier to stay this way than to make any real changes. Consider working on self-improvement, but decide that you have your whole life to do that. Go through the motions day by day, and eventually find a low-paying, depressing job that makes it nearly impossible to afford rent consistently. When you come home, bury yourself in video games, porn, drugs, or alcohol, or really anything to distract you. Keep your socialization to a minimum and constantly check your phone to avoid any possible interaction. Blame society, your childhood, or the previous generation on why your life is miserable. Make excuses why you can't or won't change, and repeat this cycle on autopilot for decades. One day wake up and think, what could my life have been? Or start today. Improve now.